What's up guys, we're back for the latest episode. This is your boy Jay Abrams, taking you guys through all the things we've done over the last week. We're gonna go over some of the stuff that we've done on the outside, some of the stuff that we've done on the inside, and we're gonna start right here in the garage. Let's go. Okay guys, now inside the garage here, this door, if you remember, actually if you don't remember because this wasn't here, this used to be a shower that was torn down. We installed this window and we installed this door so you have access into the space. If you come on through, you can actually see we added a storage closet so that people have a little bit more space to store a lot of the junk that they tend to carry around from house to house. Up above, we have all the straps to hold the house down because here in South Florida, we have Miami-Dade hurricane loads that we have to meet. And here we just have some straps tying it down above. And then here we are bolted every 24 inches into the concrete at 1/2-inch bolts. So take you guys through the rest of the space and show you what else we did. Okay guys, we are inside the garage. Let me show you some of the updates that have been done. This is the door that used to access inside here from the front porch, but now that space is a bathroom. So we put some plywood in to close it up. We've done another one right here where the window used to be, close that up too. And overall, as far as the changes have taken place, we have the storage that's been added. And then next what we're doing is we're gonna be talking with my electrician to bring a keypad right here on the exterior. It's gonna type in a code and it's gonna be a motorized garage door so you can get in and out. So even though this door was lost and it was manual before, now we've gone motorized and we added a back door. Okay guys, we are on the back side of the garage here. This is actually the space that's just after we reframed the structural wall. Now, what we did here is we cut back all the really poor rotted stucco, metal lath, etc. And you can see this wall has been so poorly damaged. I mean, look at this. This was once wood and it's just completely fallen apart. I was just saying, I mean, this is basically what happens when you don't go to the dentist, right? Like you don't brush your teeth, you don't floss, you don't go there and your teeth just rot. This is essentially the same thing that's happening with this wood here, with termite damage, wood rot, everything. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna get some new wood in here. We're gonna put our new building paper, our new lath and our new stucco, repaint it and it'll look good as new. And if we swing around here, I'll show you guys on this wall too, same exact thing. All the really poor stucco and lath that was in here, we cut that all back. We'll rip out all this wood here, you know, pieces like this. And we'll get our new 1-bys in here, put our new building paper, our new lath, our new stucco, finish this all up, paint it, good as new. Okay guys, let's take you through some of the stuff in the back here. So this whole wall has been cleaned up of a lot of the garbage that was once on it. It's been all taken down. All of our windows that were underutilized or couldn't be utilized, for instance, this one was inside of a closet, have been closed up. Same thing like the garage, building paper, metal, lath, stucco. That's gonna be good. That's gonna be good to go. We're gonna have our condensation line as well as our copper from our AC unit that's been moved. We grew our concrete pad a little bit larger. If you guys remember in our earlier video, this is where the water heater was. We've taken the water heater out, we're going tankless on the interior, and we're just utilizing the pad since it's already here for the condenser. We swing around here, show you guys some more. This is where the back door used to be for the kitchen. Well, that kitchen back door is now along the side here. So you got our plywood in to cover it. You can see some of this has been installed incorrectly. This actually should have another one of the window tape covering over this edge and this edge. But once we get our building paper over it, it's gonna pass all inspections, it'll be good to go. And then the last thing, we got our glass door in. The reason why we did a glass door is because from moving the kitchen back door to the garage, all of the light that was once inside the kitchen is now gone. Well, bringing in the glass door helps bring back some of the natural light because you don't want a space that's too dark. You can see some of the electrical that's been put in right here. Now, all of its new wiring that's been sent from the inside of the house and it's going through the new box. My electrician is still gonna connect it up into the panel, but you could at least see where the rough has been ran through to go to the new box out here. So if we take a little further walk down, you can see where our new plywood has been put in. Now this is where it was once a door here and it was another window and it was also covered in plywood, but it looked terrible. You could see some of the pieces right here behind you. It just was really poorly done. The lath was breaking away, so it was better to just go ahead and replace the whole thing. Now that that's been done, once we get our new metal lath and our paper and our stucco, just like all the rest of the house, it's gonna look really good. Okay guys, we're inside the laundry room. I'm gonna take you through some of the stuff that's been updated. Now, a lot of the plumbing has been near completed. You can see the laundry box has been put in. We added another vent right here. Oh, sorry, excuse me. We added a drain here for a sink. That way you can do some washing while you're washing. We also added the hole here. This is where the dryer box is gonna go. That way it can exhaust to the exterior. And this is where the windows have been closed up on the opposite side. Again, this is where they once had some plywood. It was just really poorly damaged, so we just went ahead and replaced it. On the interior here, you can see we closed up this window that was on the inside for facing inside of the house. That's been closed up. And then we just added some more blocking interior here and some more wood so that once we put the drywall in, it's good to go. Okay, we are inside the new office space. And as you can see from the interior here, a lot of the windows have been closed up. Some more electrical has been run throughout. We got our hi-hats in. My electrician's doing some work too. Yeah, so we have our AC duct that's gonna go up here in this space, come around and then connect into the bathroom and feed this space. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty simple in here. A lot of really straightforward moves, but we'll swing you around and show you some more stuff. Okay, we are inside the new opening that we have now that the door is gone from this space. So with this being opened, what we're gonna do is we're actually gonna raise the door behind you. We're gonna level the concrete here and just make a little step so that when you walk inside the house, it just makes it that much more seamless. Okay guys, we are inside the living room space. Now these are the windows that have been closed up from the office side. We got our plywood in. We're gonna then take these panels that we have left over from the kitchen wall that was removed, run them up vertically so that this is now concealed and you'll never know a window ever existed. Swing around here to the kitchen. You can actually see all of our framing is complete now. We have straps all along the top that's tying our trusses down to the concrete, and all of our new wiring that's running into all of our appliances that are gonna be done right next to our sink on this side and right next to our stove on this side. The only other major thing that was done is the door, the back door that was once here, that's been closed up and a window's been added right in front of the sink. And then on this side over here, we have the back door, or the side door now, which we converted to glass since all the light has been covered up from some of the windows that have been removed. So I'm gonna take you guys through the next spaces here and we're about to wrap things up. Okay guys, we are inside the existing bathroom. We're gonna add a little bit of framing right here so that we can get our ductwork in from above, service this, and then all along the top there, we're gonna get a new vent in so we can service the kitchen now that the air handler has been removed from above in both of these spaces. Other than that, the windows have been framed in and we're kind of good to go as far as the bathroom is concerned. Okay guys, we are inside the guest bedroom where the air handler has now been moved to. Here's the unit right here. Not quite finished being installed as yet. My AC guy is gonna be back on Wednesday to complete this job. We're gonna have some reframing that's done for the unit here because it actually sticks out really deep. So by adding a couple 2x4s framing all along this wall here and closing up some of these other spaces, it's just gonna make the unit look that much neater and it's gonna make the job look that much more professional. Okay guys, we are now inside the bathroom space, which is the final space of the house. As you can see here, it's really coming together. This is the pony wall that we had installed because if this was a full glass shower, I would break the budget. So by doing this, it helps to mitigate some of the costs a little bit. You can see the walls are the 2x4s where the cement board is gonna be installed have been put in. We've got our shower valves, that's all set. Our electrical is in, our GFI outlets. It's gonna be a double vanity, and then we're gonna have these two lights from above, if you see right here. And it's just gonna make the shower look that much more finished. So in the next coming week, we're gonna see a little bit more of those items put together, and we should start wrapping this up sometime soon. So let's go. Okay guys, that wraps up to this week's episode. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you tune in next week where we're probably gonna be at drywall at that point. Fingers crossed, we'll have to see what happens. If not, you're gonna see the final updates to the house on the interior. So in the meantime, be sure to follow me on Instagram at jayabrams, Jayabrams, and be sure to like and follow and subscribe for more content like this. Let's go.